How to fix Windows 10 search bar not working. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Windows 10 search bar isn't working and you can't type anything in it. This is a common problem, but don't worry, we've got you covered with a few simple solutions, so let's jump right in. Simply go to the search bar and simply click on Run, or simply open the Run dialog box. Now here what you need to type is simply type the following, whatever I have simply clicked on, and click on OK. That will help you to simply open the search bar. Now that also didn't work. What you need to do is simply press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete to open Task Manager. In the Task Manager, simply search for Windows Explorer. After you found on Windows Explorer, right click on it and simply click on Restart. And that's it. That's how you can simply fix Windows 10 search bar not working.